Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 5 of me learning English with an American accent. If you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing a 6 months challenge where I'll learn English with an American accent and I'll upload video every single day to show you guys my journey. And also it will help me to keep motivated. This is why I created this channel. So yesterday I did some answering questions. I asked ChatGPT to give me 30 common questions and I replied them. You can watch my previous video if you want. So yeah. And guys, I have a very good news for you guys. My Discord server is done. It's finished. I'll reveal my Discord server tomorrow and you can join my Discord server for free. You can learn English here, you can share tips and tricks, you can talk to each other to learn English, to be better your accent, everything. So yeah, this is the good news and it will be free. You don't need to give any money. So make sure to leave a like, because guys, but before I tell you, I'm not here for like and subscribers. I'm here for only learning English. My only goal is learning English right now. So this is why I created this channel and the Discord server. It not gives me any money. I'm doing this for only learning English and help each other. That's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, let's start today's video. So today I selected a video. As you can see here, I will try to pronounce alphabet in American English. Like, this is the most important thing before you learn any accent. You have to learn the alphabet and then words. So today this is what I'll do basically. You can see by my English is so bad. So yeah, let's go. And also a huge thanks to Robert for teaching us English. Alright, let's go. Guys, listen. Try to practice with me. If you're watching this, just try one time and you'll see the result. If you want to learn accent, the first thing you have to learn alphabet. So practice with me and see the result. You'll see the result. Just practice with me, alright? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, this is hard one, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, let's go a little faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's try again, guys. Let's try again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See guys how I practice, and let me try to say these words. Alphabet, my bad. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I forgot. X, Y, Z. Let me know how I did, and also I'm not done. I'm not done this right now. I just finished the record and I'll practice more and more. So yeah, this is today's video. I just want to share my process, was what I'm doing, and yeah. And tomorrow I'll have a surprise for you guys. As I said, I'll reveal my Discord server and everything, and that will be day 6. So I'm very excited about this, about the journey. If you want to see my journey, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, remember to leave a like. If you like this video, more people will see this video, because YouTube will promote this video to more people. So yeah, this is for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a very big surprise. See ya.